Meaning of gave.
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 Gave. Gave is the past tense of the verb give. It means to transfer or deliver something to another person, often as a gift or act of kindness. When someone gives something to someone else, it can create a sense of gratitude and appreciation. Giving can also help build relationships and strengthen bonds between people. Depending on the context, giving can have different social, cultural, or religious meanings. Overall, the act of giving has the potential to bring joy and positivity to both the giver and receiver.